All right, everybody, we are Group 10 and we are the surveillance drone. Some basic components of this project is basically we have an Arduino R3 microcontroller that's hooked up to a laser, and it's powered by a 7.4 volt battery, which is also hooked up to 2 servo motors and a Pixie Cam 2. So basically the coding for this whole project is based off an if-else statement. Basically, the if statement is saying if the Pixie tells the motors where to move and the Arduino turns on the laser when it detects red, that's our color of choice. Then the else statement, the motor moves in a continuous loop which makes a rectangular motion, and that's the basic components of it.